Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the rear bumper on a 2017 Honda Ridgeline. Start off by removing the license plate, and behind there is two 10mm bolts. Go ahead and take those out. And next we're going to remove these license plate lights on the side. They come out by pushing back on them, and then with a plastic pry tool, pry out on the front portion of it, and they pop right out. And then just remove the plug by pushing down the tab and pulling. And do the same on the other side. Next, drop down the tailgate, and using an 8mm socket, remove these two bolts that hold the taillight in. Once you have the bolts out, secure the back side with one hand, and with the other hand, using a plastic pry tool, pry out on it and pop it out. And then remove all the plugs by pushing on the tabs and pulling out. Next, we're going to loosen this filler cap that's underneath the taillight, and we're going to do that by prying out on it with the plastic pry tool and then pushing down on the tab on the top. And then also pry out on the side using your plastic pry tool. And repeat this on the left side. And once you have both taillights out, go ahead and climb underneath the bumper. And there's two plastic clips we need to take out. Using a clip tool, pry out on the middle section and pop them out. Then come around to the side of the bumper cover, and we're going to remove this mud guard. There's 4 screws holding this mud guard on. This back screw can be a little bit tricky to get to, so what I use is a Phillips bit on a hand ratchet. And then there's 3 more Phillips screws we need to take out. And then pull out on the molding, the portion that's next to the bumper, and it releases the clips from the bedside. For this next part, you're going to need a small screwdriver. Come in behind the molding and pry up on it, releasing the tab. I'll get a better view here so you can see what I'm talking about. See, I'm coming in at a 45 between the molding and the bedside itself, and I'm pushing in on the tab, which releases it. And behind there is a Phillips screw. And lastly, for this side, there's one more Phillips screw on the bottom to take out. And again, repeat this process on the other side also. Next, take your plastic pry tool I like to use the skinny ones for this and pry against the bedside down into the grooves of the bumper, and that will release it from the spacer that's behind the bumper cover. And you're just going to want to work your way all the way down to the back. Now again, you're going to want to do this on both sides. I already have the other side loose, and once you have both sides loose, you're just going to want to wrap your hands around the front of the bumper and pull directly back, and it pops right off. And then just pick up on it, and your bumper's off. I'll post in the description below on where you can get all the specialty tools that I used, along with replacement clips, just in case you broke any while you were taking it off. Thanks for watching, guys.